She's still busy putting on her costume for the workout today. And I guess you already have an idea what could be the workout about. So let's wait for Teacher Lindy and find out what you're gonna do for today.
Hi guys! Welcome back to me in YouTube. This is Teacher Lindy once again. And, well, pasensya na po kayo kay Kikay kanina. Kasi, pinagbigyan ko, sabi niya mag-pitch in daw siya sa introduction. So, ayun nga ang ginawa. At, hindi po about karate ang gagawin ko kagaya ng ginagawa niya kanina. Although, this workout originated from Japan. Okay, so let me give you a short background of this workout. This workout is made by Izumi Tabata. That's why it's called the Tabata workout. What is the Tabata workout for? This Tabata workout is a very popular workout nowadays kasi this is the fastest way to burn fats and to develop muscles, okay? And although it's a short workout, still all the exercises within the Tabata workout are what we call extreme exercises. And one good thing about this workout is that it builds the body tissues. So, maraming gumagawa ngayon ng Tabata workout dahil nga gusto nilang mag-lose ng weight at mag-burn ng fats ng pinakamabilis na paraan. That's why today we're gonna work on Tabata, and actually this is just a challenge given to me by my cardio coach friend. Hi, shout out to Imad. He's in France and he's a cardio coach, and he wanted me, or he challenged me to do this Tabata. So I called this video, which I'm gonna share to you, as Tabata Challenge of Teacher. I'm gonna call this video Challenge Accepted by Teach Lindy. I'm gonna call this video Tabata Challenge Accepted by Teacher Lindy. Okay, this Tabata Challenge will just last for 4 minutes. And I'm gonna have 4 different exercises within the 4 minutes. So it's only 4. That means to say I have to double each exercise so that it will last for 4 minutes. Now, although it's short, each exercise should be for ang process ng Tabata. Pero bago ka magtabata, dapat nakapag-prepare muna ang iyong katawan. Dapat nag-extreme exercise ka na rin kasi etong Tabata ay pinabibilis niya yung heart rate ng ating, or pinabibilis niya ang ating heart rate. Yun yung purpose ng Tabata, to burn fats easily and to build tissues also. So, ano-ano ba mga exercises? Since I'm a beginner in this Tabata, I can consider this as Tabata for the beginners. Although sabi ko nga, extreme exercises, pero beginner nga tayo, so medyo madadaling exercises muna ang gagawin natin. And para sa mga YouTubers dyan who wanted to lose weight right away and build muscles, you can do this Tabata workout. Okay, so since nakapag exercise na ako, ready na ang aking body, let's start with the Tabata challenge. Okay, I'll start with the mountain climbing. And then burpees. And then squat jumps. And then running in place. Okay, dapat repeat the process. Makakapagod. Parang hanggang 2 minutes lang ako. Grabe. Wala naman kasi kung iba-burn na fat. Papayat-payat ko na nga. Bakit ba na-accept ko tong challenge na to? Challenge accepted, but not finished. Okay guys, nakakapagod. Grabe. Ang lakas ng tibok ng puso ko. Okay, so I hope kung matcha-challenge kayo ng Tabata, I hope you'll be able to finish it. Kasi hindi ko yata matatapos. Kailangan ko na mag-shake. Sorry, Imad. Hindi ko matapos ang challenge. Kailangan mag-rest ang muscles kasi extreme exercise nga siya para huwag mas sumakit ang ating katawan. Okay? So one way is to shake your body. Shake the muscles. Okay? And para hindi sumakot ang likod ko, I will do planking. Grabe. Ang gagaling naman ng mga nagtatabata challenge. Kayang-kaya nila. Or maybe because of my age also. Okay guys, hindi ko man nagawa ang challenge ko. At least, you have an idea now of what a Tabata is or a Tabata workout. Grabe, hindi nyo lang nakikita yung tagaktak ng pawis ko. Pero, sabi ko nga, this Tabata workout is really great for losing weight and burning fats. And of course, dahil nga nagpapabilis to ng heart rate, ay nagde-develop naman siya ng tissues sa ating katawan. Okay, guys, kahit hindi ko natapos ang challenge, I hope you will still subscribe to my channel, Teach Lindy Wow. And please, next time, sana, Coach Imad, medyo madaling challenge naman. Grabe, nag-outfit pa ako for this. Hindi ko rin pala magagawa. Dapat pala si Kikay na rin ang pinagawa ko dito. Okay guys, I hope you still like the video. You learned something from it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated. Tumutulo ang pawis ko with the new videos. that I'm gonna put up in this channel. Bye!